This is supposed to be gold. Okay, are we live? I believe we are live again. Okay, I'm back. Got the gold chart up here. Let me get these charts in line. Oh man, this thing's going in the wrong direction. I thought it was going to open up and... well, we're not open yet. Thought we were going to go to the low side. Is this... shit. What the hell? Is there two of these open? I don't know why I got two OSBs open. But anyways, okay. So, yeah, I took a short for this open. Trying to get this open. Downside. What do I have? I have 6 micros. I'm going to take a quick scalp on that if it comes down. Okay, it almost hit my target. Just trying to get a quick scalp on this one at open. Oh, looks like we are open. Okay, took out that one. One little micro left. Okay, took it out. Let me see what else I've got here. So we've got overnight high, which is actually, I got to move these. We move this overnight high up to here. Get our daily high. We're way far away from our daily low. Overnight high up here. A little bit higher than that, but that's close enough. Close those RSI indicator. Daily high from yesterday. Looks like we're going to take that out. Let me get my levels going on here. I'm way behind this morning. Okay, let me see what I got here. Bring my chat over. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Gold popped back up. I took a quick scalp in gold earlier on an account. Bounced off the purple line. Took it up to here. Took it up to 50, actually 94, right down here. Could have got a lot more out of that. Drinking my coffee this morning. Back on coffee 2 weeks into the new year. I gave it up for the new year. Get rid of some acid. Where are we? Let's see. QQQ. There's then we got a gamma wall 0 TTE. Ooh, I like that. 7020 to 7024. Ooh, when we have Jex5 way down here. Oops. Let me get rid of that. I'm going to delete that. Jex5 down here. I wonder if it moved. Let me get back over here. I don't think the Jex5 moved. Okay, 0 DTE. What did I say? 7020, 7025. Yeah, 7020, 724. Let me get over here. Let me draw this real quick. 70.24. That's a huge resistance area right there. 0D. This actually needs to come down to actually right about there. 96. Oh, lower than that. 86. 90. 88. Yeah, we're looking about right there. That purple line. 88. That's HVL. 0DTE. 1-day max. We're up there. Ooh, so that's a nice little area right there. So you got 1-day max up here at the daily high. High vol 0DTE right there. Let's check out NQ. NQ, we got to support at 860. Oh, 860. We're almost at it right now. Put support. Oh, whoops. I need to update these. Oh, we're at the 200 SMA also on NQ. I'd actually like to take along in that. I'm NQ. Did I miss it? No, I'm going to take it down here actually. 70.34. Oh, that's only one. I'm only getting one right now. Take a 3 down here. Oh, we weren't DD. Let me see this real quick. JX5 down here. Oh yeah, we do have JX5 still down here. 113. I gotta get rid of that. My indicators aren't set up properly. My gamma levels. So I've got to reset it. End of day right there. So overnight high. Is that overnight high correct? Not really. Oh, the overnight high is right in this one. Okay. Sync globally. Let me sync that up. There we go. Overnight high. We still have some resistance. Still have ways to go in EQ to come down, or ES to come down. $780. Oh man, we got it way down here. I must have had a huge run up. Yeah, I did have a huge run up. So 780 I'm looking at really. Daily high. Let me get rid of that. $780 is our half gap. I'll be hitting it hard at 780. Actually, let me put a alert right there. 780. I'll put the alert at 781. Down there, I'm gonna take a shot at 8:30. 8:30 as well. What do we have at 8:30? Let me. I've got to update this thing. My gamma levels aren't updating. On NQ. Shit, come on. NQ, NQ. All right, well, so let's take a look at ES. ES just bounced off the 1 minute. The 1 minute order block. I'm looking for. Hold on a minute. Oh, there's the chat bot. Bring the chat over to here. No chat so far. Okay. Where are we at? Got a little profit right there. Just a 1 micro. I'm gonna sell that if it hits back up there. Come on, gamma level. Damn it. It's not updating for me. This. I can't see it. Maybe we can get order blocks to update. Yep, they're not updating. Something's wrong with the visual here. Okay, flying blind on NQ. ES. Oh, yeah, that was a good short up there, actually. Let's take a look at our gold. Gold, gold, gold. I need to change this Bitcoin actually to VIX. Fall for S&P. There it is, volatility, S&P 500. So that's updating. Oh, let me get my blind levels for blinds. Oh, blind spots were on for gold. Going into the red. Let me turn those off. Okay, where are we at here? Let's see. Got my VIX end of day levels. Where's, oh, high vol 0 DTE. Way up there. Where's 1 day min? Way down there. Right in the middle. Okay. So VIX is in the middle. Don't have anything in the VIX right now. I need to keep that like that. I need to save this. I'm not trading Bitcoin, so I don't need to watch it. But I do need to watch this VIX. Especially on gold and NQ. Let me get out of this for one little contract. One little micro. Oh, look at that. Right when I moved it down, it popped up. Of course. Okay, let me get back over here. Man, these things want to update, but they don't want to update. I'm going to increase this real quick. Damn it, man. Okay, flying blind. Might as well turn these off. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to put I'm going to put my gamma levels over here. On this chart. Okay, overnight high, we're about to take it out in there. Oh, wait, I need to, actually, I need to save this. I need to change this. Oh, crap, I don't have my overnight high on that either. I got it there. Got it there. Gotta get rid of this. Need to get some music going so you don't hear me rambling. So I'm just thinking out loud here. Okay, we touched the overnight low, overnight high. I would like to see, okay, so now we're looking for, let me zoom this out. Oh, see, now here's my gamma levels. Looking good, too. 1 day max, where's, yeah, there's a good, okay, overnight high, touched it. Looking for a break of structure here to take it all the way down to 70. And to break these two things. What do we have? ES. ES touched overnight low right away. Overnight high. No, that was the overnight high. So we have not touched it. Let me check out overnight high. This is the overnight high. Okay, we're above overnight high in the Dow. I need to turn those order blocks off there. Get rid of that. Overnight low needs to go up to there. Got it. Still waiting for this NQ to break to the downside. Oops, I gotta cancel these orders. Although we could break it to the upside as well. Good morning, No Fear. How you doing today? There was a huge run up last night. I only took a little bit of it last night because I didn't have any good levels, but we had such a down day yesterday. I just took it for like 40 points on NQ to the upside, and then I did trade gold last night. Not any very, very good levels, but nothing to post. Awesome. Glad you're doing good. I'm just sitting here watching this, waiting for a structure shift. We're right at overnight highs in ES and NQ. I have a buy order. What do I have? 870. No, not 870. Let me double check this. Oh, where was that? And let me draw it out here, actually. My NQ. Dang, it's huge. Okay, where do I gotta zoom way out? Okay, here's the open. Here's the close. Let me draw this out real fast. If I can get this right on there, that's close enough. To our open. Let me see where that opened. I think we opened her. There's my open line right there. There's my half gap right there. Yeah, 770. So I'm definitely going to play it off 770. Let me get a couple buy orders in there, actually. 770. I'm going to get it in this other account, too. A couple accounts. Okay, looking for a bounce off of 770. What else do we have at that level? We have... Let me make sure these gamma levels are right. Yeah, they're right. I gotta move my Jan15th down. Ooh, yeah, we got way down here. Jan15th's way down there. We got high vol here. And the 1 day max. So in between 1 day max and high vol is a good way to play it. It's a good area to play. I think one of the guys over at MetherQ call it the blackjack trade. Actually, that goes in the opposite direction, you know, high vol to a 1 day max. I don't know if it goes in the opposite direction, though, down from 1 day max to high vol. But we have Jex1 here. And then we have a big gap. So if it breaks that level, we're going all the way down to the close. Oh, wait, did we just break? Oh, we just broke structure here. On NQ, hold on a minute. Yeah, we just broke structure. Oh, yeah. I'm looking to short that. I'm selling them right now. Unless it closes that, I got to put my stop right above here. 924 for my stop. Should be a little higher. But did it close? Oh, NQ didn't. Did NQ did close just below it. ES definitely closed. Market structure, Dow, not a market structure shift. Fighting with that 200 on the NQ and the ES. Let me turn off my gamma levels. $200. We got an order block here also. But we do have half gap down here. So I'm playing it to the half gap and reversing it there. If we can get it. How strong is this market? Check this gold. Let me draw my gold out. Do I have a good spot to draw my gold? Ooh, that's questionable. One day min. I can take a short. 37 in gold. 46.37. if it gets up there. I already got a buy down here at 45.72. Let me double check this. Put support, yeah, still good. Right in the middle right now. On gold, do you trade gold? No fear. And we hear yesterday from my for the CPI, my internet was really bad yesterday. I had to just restart my computer. I play CPI every single time because it always moves in one direction. I know you can't play it on Take Profit Trader, but if you have like an Apex account or Top Step, you can definitely trade news. So I had a good day in CPI yesterday. 6,000 in one account, 4,000 in another. Those are both evals. And then I hardly did anything after that. Okay, the break of structure did not hold. Am I at MNQ? Oh yeah, I'm close to my stop there. Oh man, that was the wrong account too. I didn't really want to trade this account because it is close to passing. You trade the ORB on gold? You have to check out the IB break on the Asia session. I trade my bands. My bands work really well on gold, and modified fibs. See up the purple band here. Usually take it purple to orange. That's a good trade. Either direction, purple to orange, or my way overextended, which you probably can't see that on this screen, but it's way up here. Yeah, that's why I like to play on gold. Everybody's been making a lot of money on silver, making it or probably losing it as well. $90 an ounce. Can't believe it. I can't believe gold's at 4,600 an ounce. All right, what else do we have here? Let's look for a football trade. Football trade worked really well yesterday. Oh, we have more of a channel now. Yeah, it's a channel. Might be able to get one off of ES. It's pretty much a channel too. Bring it down here. Yeah, that's not much of a trade. Not much of a trade on that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 drive. Let's see this break. Let's see how Dow's doing. Dow's looking pretty strong. Just about to make him break a structure to the upside. NQ's fighting with this 200. Yeah, I know silvers look like a casino now. We all wish we had our silver still. I traded a little bit of silver. I traded oil quite a bit. Back in the day, I was scalping it. I was doing pretty well until one night I was vacationing, which I shouldn't have been trading, over in Thailand, and I liquidated my account. All right, I am going to close this out at break even because the Dow is so strong. I just closed that out at break even. Yeah, exactly at break even. That rarely. Yeah, I was expecting that Supreme Court decision yesterday. Everybody was, of course, and they delayed it again. Man, that's going to crash the market once they come out with that decision. If it's against, I guess the odds are against on. I wonder if that's why they're delaying it. Getting all these market makers to get out of their positions. Dow was looking strong. Nothing really in NQ. I don't think this level's good anymore. Let me get rid of that. Get rid of that level there. Oh, whoops. I guess it was a good level. It's okay. We still got half gap down here. I wonder what half gap is on ES. I don't even see the opening line on ES. Here's the close. Opens right about there. Maybe right there. Half gap's looking right there. Get rid of these lines. Bouncing off these order blocks. Zero DTE. I wonder if there's any news coming out at 9. I thought there was some news. Let me double check. Well, I guess it didn't. It wasn't big if it was, because the market's not doing anything. Thursday. Oh, we just had some Fed speakers. That's it. They were earlier. Nothing. We are in earnings seasons too. What do you think about earnings season? I guess a chip maker came out yesterday with some good earnings, or this morning. I like the Nvidia earnings. Hey, no fear. Do you play the 5 minute or 15 minute ORB? Let's see. Do we have a triangle? Oh, we're forming a diamond shape here. I haven't seen a diamond in a while. Oh, not quite a diamond. A lot of waiting today. Got the VIX over here. VIX is pretty much in the right in the middle. I like to get rid of some of these primary levels. I think that's the only ones I want. Yeah, there we go. Got my primary levels. On the VIX. Gold, I don't really want that. I want the blind spots on gold, actually. BL6, BL9. Ooh, big old gap right here. $45.63. Okay, we coming down? We're coming down. Let's break this lower band here. Break this trend line. Ooh, there's high vol ODT too, right there on S&P. Actually, is that from yesterday? Yeah, that is from yesterday. There we go. Yeah, I'd like to see it hit that half gap. Look at that Dow again. Hanging at the top. was pumping. ES. Let me look at this ES real quick. We are at an order block. I might take a short off ES. Where's the MES? Look at that Dow again. And Q's looking a little heavy. ES is not looking too heavy. Isn't that premature? And once again, in the wrong account. I need to get out of that account. In the 2 minute. Yeah, I got in this ES a little bit early. Let's see. Break a structure. NQ. Let me see. You know, that was a good short in That's a good place to short of NQ, of ES. Okay, I gotta take a break. I'm gonna go grab a drink of water. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's take a look at this gold. Let's see. A little bit of a resistance area. I'd rather see it get up to the purple. some. Okay. NQ's looking heavy. It's gonna break to the upside or to the downside. What time is it? 9:21. It should break to the downside here. Got a small fair value gap right there. Dow's looking strong. It's keeping this ES alive. NQ is fighting with that 200. Okay, I'm gonna take a short scalp and NQ here. To the downside. Almost hit it right there. Hit it right there. Quick 50 on that. Trying to offset this ES trade I'm in. Got the ES set for right below break even. Yeah, Dow's pulling that ES up. Okay, we got to break a structure to the upside. Let's get rid of these lines here. No gap yet, though. No boss gap. Now, touching the overnight high up there. Can we get a break of structure? So we have some structure here. We come down below that. A 1 minute 3-bar reversal. Just trying to get out of this trade for a small profit. This market doesn't want to pick a direction. We're barcoding. Oh, Dow's coming back down, but still hasn't broke structure. Eight seconds for NQ. Okay, we do have a fair value gap there. We also have one there. Barely a break of structure though. Check out this 3-minute over here on the ES. I also need to check out my bands. Yeah, I do have quite a bit ways to go for the band. We're bouncing off the open. So we keep bouncing off this open line on ES as well as NQ. Now we just got to break some structure to come down. Yes, about to break the structure. So is NQ. There we go. I'm taking it. That's it. Order filled. What did I get? Did I break even on that? Yep. Exactly broke even on that. Now, let's see what we have here. Do we have a break of structure? Major break of structure? Not yet. Still barcoding. Dow's still holding this market up. Oh, you know what? I haven't traded any of my PAs. I need to get in there. Trade those PA accounts. I keep focusing on these. Oops. Where are we at here? Still barcoding. Look at this gold for a minute. $46.35. I'm a little bit afraid to play gold today because I'm a little bit worried about shorting gold today. Or longing, depending on the Supreme Court decision. You think they do it after hours, though, because it is definitely going to move the market one way or the other. Nobody likes surprises in the market. I like to see this volatility come down to this one-day min. And then it's actually at put support right now. Then I'd look for a definite reversal in the market. This thing's not going anywhere. Oh, I better get back over to the gold. Hold on. Let me look at this. We're heading up to that overnight high. I'd like to see that overnight high get taken in the ES. Let's check out this gold. Still nothing on gold. Okay, looks like Dow's coming back down. Didn't close below though. Okay, no close below on the Dow. I'm really watching the Dow now. Looks like it's leading these other two. Okay, now we're above open and above. Not quite. ES is trying to get above overnight highs. It popped above it, but I'd like to see this candle close at a fair value gap. Let me get rid of this thing. Oh, that's on the 3-minute. Shoot, I gotta get back down to the 1-minute. Oh, we already have the fair value gap in the 1-minute. So yeah, now I'm looking for an inverted fair value gap. And then a close below here. So we just created an order block there too. ES is looking strong. See if we got a launch pad. No, not really. We got equal lows pretty much right here at the 200 SMA. Let me look at my bands. Oh, we're getting towards DB1 actually. On ES, of course. I would be willing to take a short there. 70.14. MES. Oh, there's our first candle in our fair value gap, possibly. Is going to do the market structure shift. Till 10. Nope, it just closed that gap. So that's on the ES. There's nothing. Let me check this NQ. NQ, pretty much nothing. Check out this Dow. Dow's pushing back up. It does not want to hold those market structure shifts. wonder if the market makers are trying to get these orders filled for a huge drop. Yeah, ES is underneath that CPI range low. It's fighting with that overnight high also. I do have a short order set for 7014. That's my DB band. DB1. Dow's barcoding. Just wonder if they're building up liquidity. See, they built up a lot of liquidity here on NQ down at the bottom. Right off our order block. That needs to be taken out. NQ not as much. Still got liquidity right up here. And now we're building it up at the top. Got a lot of liquidity in Dow that needs to be taken to the downside. Now this thing could be making, let me zoom in here. So break a liquidity right there, break a structure. Break a structure in ES. If this closes, yeah, this is going to close. Going to have a fair value gap. Okay, boss gap on NQ in 5 seconds. Is it going to hold to the downside? Could take it down to 200, the 200 in the ES. Oops, am I in? Oh, it hit the alert. Okay. Okay, I'm taking it down to the 200. Just for a quick scalp on ES. It is fighting with that order block. Did I miss the move? Oh, I don't know how much that was. That wasn't very much. We do have a break of structure. Look at this Dow. 34 seconds to close. Looking for a red candle on this 1 minute Dow to give us our boss gap there. Yeah, it's definitely going to give us a boss gap. So we've got to break a structure in Dow finally to the downside. As well as ES and NQ. There's that liquidity. Is it going to build more liquidity in NQ? It's right there now. Let me turn off these order blocks. You can really see all that liquidity. Are they going to take it out? I bet you they are. It's a launch pad to the downside. There it goes. Yep, it's going to come all the way down here. Now, is it going to go all the way to overnight lows? NQ's got a ways to go. Got a half gap still. I don't think it's taking out overnight lows anytime soon. In ES. Ooh, that's perfect right there on NQ. Got half gap and our trend line right there. 770s. Do I still have an order there? No, but I'm putting one in. Putting a buy order at 770. If it gets down there on NQ. Well, that's a good short right now too, actually. Shit, I just missed it. Oh, I'm in my wrong account still. Shoot. Okay, we got to break it the two. Yeah, break it the 200. Come back here to the ES. What's that? 98. MES 98. Yeah, if it gets up to 98, I'm going to sell to. It broke that 200. I already might have missed it on this candle here. When I was saying it was a good short. So we got a lot of downside. Yeah, the other band's way down here, actually. I'm not going to chase it, but if it comes back up, I'm definitely going to get in it. There it is. Boom. I'm in. In that short. I'm going to stop up at 703. Yeah, and NQ's right up there too. Just got back up there. Not to the 200, but to the liquidity zone. What time is it? 9:50? Yeah. Okay. Let's see it drop for another 9 minutes. Give me 9 candles down. Oh, we did fight with a little bit of. Oh, we fought with a big support actually. Can we take the 50? I think on this one. Is it going to break to the downside? Yeah, it broke to the downside. Oops. Am I in something? Shit. I must have got too many. Oh, yeah, I did have too many. Too many to close it out. I had 3 to close it. Okay, take a quick scalp on that. 400 away from passing that one. Let's take a look at the gold. Gold's got a lot of liquidity right there. VIX is still hanging in there. Red zone in gold. Oh, we're still fighting with that 200 on the ES. I would definitely put a buy at the gap close. 25,635. Yeah, that's a good one. You got a lot of support. You got the close. I am going to do that, actually. MH. What did I say? 25. 635. There we go. A little bit above it actually looks good too. 43. 43 looks good. But then you have the daily low too. A daily low and the overnight low right down there at the bottom at 25.68. Oh, 568. 568. $630. 568. Oh yeah, that'd be a sweep of those lows too. I don't know if it's going to get down there, but if it does, I'm getting in. And with that, I am going to call it a wrap. I've got to go to the gym because I haven't been in a few days. I will be on Discord tonight. Otherwise, I will see you over here tomorrow. Good trading. And stay safe.